Regarding the notifications, let's see, we get this one, but then we will hear the sound once and again repeatedly. Even if I closed the notification, it will show up again, and this is not really a behavior I would like for this application. So I'm gonna close that. I'm gonna stop that monitor, and let's take a look at the code that we have here. I'm gonna hide this. You'll notice we are recreating notifications every time that the event is being caught. So this is not ideal. This is not exactly what we want to do. And we'll start by doing the following. Let's create an object here, which will hold both up notifications and down notifications. Okay? And then we want to, instead of doing this, we're going to verify that the notifications object on the up key is not existent, which at first it won't. Then we display a notification. Okay? And when we do so, we also play the sound. This is plural, and let's do the same with the other one. Okay, I'm going to reload the application, and you'll see what happens now. I'm going to turn on the monitor, and we have an error. Let me double check my code. Yeah, I should add this. I should assign the new notification to the object we created. Like so. Okay. So this time there actually is an object here, and you can hear the notification there. So I'm going to reload again and start the monitor. Right, so a couple of times that the notification came up. And let's also now turn on the endpoint. Okay, it started a couple times, and there's a reason for that, or at least I think I know the reason for it. So do you remember we just wrote this part where whenever we modify the object, whenever it is updated, it will destroy and recreate the monitor? I believe this is what's happening now. Since we are modifying a property inside of our object, which is this one, current status, every time the monitor responds to the up or down event, what we're actually doing is we are updating or modifying the object, meaning it will recreate the monitor every time. So every time it's like a cycle where we update the object and then it triggers another monitor, a new one, which will have a new notification per event being up or down. So I'm going to reload again. And this time we shouldn't hear double or see double notifications in our app. Okay, you can see how it changes. It's logging out, localhost is up, but then we didn't hear the sound. We also didn't notice a change on the icon here because we're not updating that value, but we'll fix that later. So I will now turn off the monitor, which is being pinged. There was one sound for the notification and nothing else. Okay.